Hello and welcome everyone, it's Martin here at Crypto Gains. Crypto markets are recovering and there are two major catalysts, particularly behind the recovery in Bitcoin. First of all, Tether was able to settle its case with the Attorney General's office, and this clears a lot of the uncertainty and doubt around crypto markets because this settlement has effectively removed what might have been a systemic threat to the cryptocurrency markets, as various reports have highlighted the close correlation between USD Tether mining and Bitcoin price surges. Therefore, once this hurdle is cleared, the uptrend in Bitcoin is likely to resume. In addition to that, this morning there was an announcement in the Q4 documents of Square that the company has purchased approximately 3,380 in Bitcoin and has generated a lot of revenue based on that. So Square became the second company after Tesla to announce a major purchase of Bitcoin. So let's take a look at the chart and see how things are panning. First of all, of course, I'm starting with the shorter time frame and we're looking at the 1 hour chart of Bitcoin versus Tether. Currently there is a robust recovery. 50 is acting as a psychological support area, so over 50 long positions buying with targets 52,200 and then 54,850. However, if we break below 48,000, there could be opportunities for further declines all the way to 46 and 44,000. We can see that on the 1 hour chart, the MACD, the blue MACD line, is just crossing over zero, giving us some indications of bullish sentiment, coupled with relative strength index reading over 50. However, if we zoom out a little bit, I want to share something with you. We can see that the last time we had a similar decrease, a similar correction in Bitcoin in the beginning of the year, 10th of January, it took us a whole month before we reached a new all-time high. So we can expect that this recovery in the Bitcoin prices can take some time before we're able to retest and overcome the 58, which is the current all-time high. Next, I'm moving to Ethereum versus Tether. In Ethereum, we also had a fairly robust recovery, and what we're observing is that over 1650, which is very robust support area at the moment, there is an opportunity for long positions with targeted 1,800. However, below 1580, there is likely that we could be seeing some declines to the 1430 level. And this line 1230 is now obsolete, so this is how I'm keeping the chart, with a target on the short side at 1430. What is quite encouraging to observe on the 4 hour chart is that we're just about to witness a bullish crossover with the blue MACD line crossing over the red signaling line, which is coupling with a good recovery of the relative strength index approaching levels over 50, giving us more confidence in the upward momentum in Ethereum versus Tether. Some of the other opportunities that I want to discuss with you are, first of all, in Dash versus Tether. What we have is a robust recovery on the 4 hour chart with, we can see a crossing of the blue MACD line over the red signaling line. We're being a bit aggressive with that trade. We're entering early before the relative strength index has recovered over 50, and we're hoping to make more on that trade simply because we're entering it just a tiny bit earlier. So over 250 with a target at 270 and then 290, and giving us a very favorable risk to reward ratio by keeping our stop loss tight at 240. And the final two ideas that I want to discuss with you are in Compound. What we have here is on the 4 hour chart, Compound is attempting to break this descending resistance line. So over 450, supported by a bullish crossover in the MACD indicator and relative strength index over 50, is giving us an opportunity to initiate long position with a target at 500 and a stop loss at 420. Again, this is giving us fairly robust and favorable risk to reward ratio. In addition to that, the final idea for today comes from Synthetix versus Tether. And again, it's a very similar setup, very robust, predictable. with a bullish crossover of the blue MACD line over the red signaling line. This time, long positions over 20 with target 2340 and stop loss 1850. The relative strength index is also just approaching readings over 50, giving us more confidence in that bullish signal. Keep learning with the video education section and all the other educational videos from the Crypto Gains Market Insight subsection. And remember to join our Crypto Signals Made Easy channel for lots of insightful articles and trading ideas on a daily basis. Thanks for joining me today. Trade wisely and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Hey, thanks a lot for tuning in, and if you liked what you see and you're not already with us, click on the link in the description below and become part of the Stormgain community. That way you will never miss another opportunity and you will become a more profitable crypto trader. See you soon.